What's up, guys? It is Friday and we are about to head out towards Klutch Kickers round 1. Not exactly just yet. Trent and I are about to go grab some coffee. Dad went over to the shop pretty early and knocked out the last little bit of wiring and stuff on the car. It's mega raining outside. Kind of a sad morning. And the weather's supposed to be crazy this weekend, so we'll see how that goes. Trent, do you have a poncho?
I think I have a Drift HQ one. I don't know if I have.
Shout out Drift HQ for the ponchos. I actually have a couple of those too, ironically. So those are sick guys. But yeah, so we'll catch you guys in a minute.
It's Coffee and Jacks. If you're ever near, you need to get some. Get the white mocha freezer. I don't know what Ryan gets.
I get a large caramelized coffee with vanilla and cream, but no sugar.
Okay, it's much easier just to say white mocha a freezer. So
but look at the viscosity of that, dude. That's
yeah,
just,
bro. It's
what
thick.
do you want, a milkshake? You want an Italian milkshake? This right here, handcrafted goodness. This is literally, I'm not even joking.
They're both goated though.
They are both goated. It depends what you're in the mood for.
If you're in the mood for like something cold on your throat and a little thicker, you know what I'm saying?
A little thicker.
Get the white mocha freezer.
But if you're trying to get cracked
but if you want like coffee, get what Ryan gets.
This doesn't even, it's so good.
Can you say your order again?
It's a large caramelized coffee with caramel and vanilla, no sugar, but it does have cream in it. And let me tell you, this right here is the sweetness to crack you up enough to go through a 12-hour day at work. Guys, it is now like 5:20. I think we're like 40 minutes away from the track, so not too bad. Yeah, so decided to get there and unload and just unwind. It's been a very long drive, so see you guys when we get there. Sorry, I'm not trying to be in your way.
You are in my way, so appreciate you being in my way.
You filming?
Yeah.
You filming? Guys?
Are you filming?
You filming? You filming? Dude, you filming me? Oh my god, stop filming me. No, I'm just kidding. Alright guys, we made it here. It is Friday. It's like 7 o'clock. We're about to unload the car, make some sick ass V8 noises, disturb the public peace. Why do you have a mask on?
COVID?
Alright guys, we just made it to the hotel. Got Cody, 6'5", doesn't even fit in the frame. You heard him, man. The man will not be televised. What's up guys? It is Saturday morning, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Saturday morning. First day of the final round of Klutch Kickers. Kind of a bittersweet moment. Whole weekend's kind of bittersweet, but I don't even know if the car is gonna go into gear easily. That CD in that car is so sus, it's not even funny. You guys saw from the OSW private day, so we'll see. We'll work with what we got. I'll launch in third if I have to, but yeah, about to head down. We're running late as always because all of us like our sleep, but I think we're pretty good. You guys excited for the day?
I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm not excited for the rain.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain like crazy, so.
As long as we don't have any tornadoes.
Yeah, there was like 4 a.m. tornado warning, so who knows what's happening out here. Alright guys, we have made it to the track. We just went through tech inspection and I think it's like 8:30. So in roughly about 2 hours we're gonna go, the first session will go out and then we have the driver's meeting at I think 10. So car passed tech, everything was good. And you know, the car wasn't super fast last weekend at OSW, so they added half an inch of toe in the rear from suggestion of LZ and Freddie. So hopefully it does good. Hopefully it's not super slow. I know it's supposed to rain today. You guys can literally tell by the weather. So hopefully everything's good, but we'll see. this on the phone because the camera's in the car, and as you guys can tell, it's raining pretty bad. We just went to go out. I was in B group, but it got like sent off because the weather got really crazy for a second. So I don't know what the deal is going to be. I guess we'll get an update probably here shortly in a second, soon. I'm just stoked to drive in front of the car out. I heard the track feels super patchy and like grippy in some areas, and will shoot you forward in others, and then into an ice skating rink. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm just hoping for the best. Hopefully the weather clears up so we can all get to drive. I know a lot of guys came super far for this event, so yeah. See you guys in the next update, hopefully very soon, because I don't want to be stuck under here forever not driving. Alright guys, I know I actually did not update the vlog, and I know that's kind of normal for me, but yesterday was obnoxiously stressful. We came in with the car super gripped up, 3/4 of an inch of toe in the rear, and it was pretty much undrivable. I'm sure somebody else could drive it, but we didn't have enough experience in testing in the car with the setup for me to be comfortable to just hug it in and stay pinned the whole track. and I was just fighting it the whole time. I think we made one complete pass. So before qualifying, I'm like, hey, we got to rip toe out of this. We drop it down to, I think, 1/4 of an inch, and then it might have been 1/2 inch instead of 3/4 of an inch. And then we went out for one more practice lap, still gripped up. So we reset it all the way back to 0, which is what we tested it with last weekend at OSW, and cranked the pressure up and managed to put down 2 okay qualifying runs to get us into the show today. And fortunately, we're going against our good buddy Kevin Lawrence. Once again, this is our 4th battle. We battled 4 out of the 5 rounds, so I couldn't be happier. It's kind of sick. Fortunately, he actually blew his motor, I believe, is what happened yesterday. So they got the R32 up here. I think one of the Drift HQ guys brought it up. So that's super sick. Just like old times, Kevin and I, Z and R32, kind of throwing it back to round 1. So I'm super excited. It'll be really cool. Just glad we kind of were able to put a score on the board and get in the show, because literally yesterday that was kind of our only goal, considering like I just couldn't make a complete run. So we're running it a lot looser, a lot less gripped up, and hopefully we can just, you know, get comfortable in this thing and have some fun, man, because that's what it's all about. I think I was getting a little stressed out last weekend because the car was so slow, so I tried to grip it up a ton and it just made things even worse. So yep, we got a driver's meeting here in a little bit, and then we'll head out for a top 64 practice and see what we can do with the car. Alright guys, I completely neglected the vlog today, but it was crazy. It was kind of hectic, but now we're at a Murphy's, and this is kind of crazy.
It's the weirdest thing I've ever
So
seen.
basically, I don't even know how this works. Just like the stuff is on the outside. It's kind of crazy. So pretty dope, kind of cool. So I'm about to snack.